In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Windows 11 opening sound. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the options of customizing the startup sound for Windows 11 and how you can do this. So first, I just want to make it very clear. If you access these settings on your Windows PC, you go over to Themes and you choose Sounds, what you will notice is that even though you have the option to enable or disable the Windows startup sound, you will not be able to change it. So you can change plenty of other options, like whenever you get a notification or reminder, whenever you connect a new device. But one of the options that's not available here in any or most modern versions of Windows is the option to change the actual sound used when you start up your PC. So to change this, you are going to rely on an external tool. The one that I recommend on this video is WinArrowTweaker. There might exist other tools that do the same, and you should do your own research if you would like to use a different one. But as you can see, WinArrowTweaker under the Appearance tab has the option for you to customize the startup sound. So of course, just like on Windows, you can enable or disable it and then replace the sound. So the option that you are looking for is going to be right here. So you just choose this and you submit a .wav file. So if you need to acquire WinArrow, just look for WinArrowTweaker or go to specifically winarrow.com. And on this website, you will get instructions on how to download it for Windows 11. So choose the option to get WinArrowTweaker, and it's as simple as running the tool after you extract it somewhere, and you will find all of the options. You can customize many things about the appearance, not only the startup sound, and of course, you can do this on your own time, but for this video, I wanted to focus on the startup sound option. Once you are satisfied, you can just restore the sound here, and it will become the default one. So to keep it simple, in summary, if you want to change it through Windows, you will not be able to customize the sound. You can only enable or disable it. But if you use a tool like WinArrowTweaker, you will be able to input custom sounds. And all that you have to do is choose the option here. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Windows 11 opening sound. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.